Welcome to the fascinating world of economics, where we explore one of its fundamental concepts. At the core of economics lies the recognition that resources, which include labor, capital, land, and natural resources, are finite and limited in supply. Meanwhile, human wants and needs are boundless and ever-expanding. It's this delicate interplay between scarcity and abundance that forms the foundation of economic thinking. In essence, economics is the study of how individuals and societies grapple with the challenges posed by this inherent scarcity. It revolves around the pivotal question of how to efficiently allocate these scarce resources to fulfill the myriad wants and needs of people. This allocation process is what ultimately enables the production of the goods and services that sustain and enhance our lives. Imagine a world where resources were limitless, where there was an inexhaustible supply of everything we desired. In such a utopian scenario, the field of economics would cease to exist. But, in the real world, we face the reality of scarcity. And this is where economics steps in to provide us with a framework for understanding, analyzing, and making choices in the face of limited resources. The concept of scarcity is not a condemnation. Rather, it's a fundamental puzzle that drives innovation, competition, and the evolution of societies. It challenges us to be resourceful, efficient, and creative in our resource allocation decisions, whether on an individual, organizational, or societal level. Economics isn't just about numbers and graphs, it's about the choices we make every day, from deciding how much time to spend working, studying, or pursuing leisure, to determining what goods and services we purchase and consume. It also delves into the broader questions of how governments and institutions allocate resources to address societal needs and priorities. So, whether you're an aspiring economist or simply curious about the forces that shape our world, understanding this fundamental concept is the first step in unlocking the mysteries of how economies function and impact our lives. Economics offers us a lens through which we can navigate the complex web of resource allocation, scarcity, and the pursuit of human well-being. Join us as we embark on this enlightening journey through the heart of economic theory and practice.